Well, many years ago, the city put out a call for people who wanted to contribute to our centennial celebrations in 2013. And so we put in the idea that we would embroider Portmoody's history and create a very large picture for the Galleria to be hung permanently. So it's reviving an old art. It is recording our history with an artistic twist, and we are the city of the arts. The Tri-City News gave us some free article, and we had about 16 people arrived in my living room, and we have a professional graphic artist, Rose Cap, who drew lots of images. People chose their images and then asked, well, how do you want them stitched? And we said, whichever way you like. This is a community project. It's been a community project from day one. None of us are, except for our graphic designer, she's professional, but the rest of us are not. We're just ordinary people who like to stitch, who like colour, who like the idea that we are leaving a beautiful gift to the city of Portmoody. And so now we're asking the rest of Portmoody, people to come in and put in one stitch, put in maybe 100 stitches, however many stitches you like. So from February the 20th to March the 1st, you are very welcome at the Galleria. The picture in its frame and rolled will be there. And come between 2 and 4, 7 days a week. One of us will be there to help you. We will have images for you to follow. There are many of young people doing various things, bicycling, soccer things. We will have a frame for you. We'll have the outline done. You can come and stitch every afternoon if you want to. We would be delighted to see each and every one of you. Age has nothing to do with it. Ethnicity has nothing to do with it. So please, everybody, come and join us. Thank you very much.